Hello everyone, it's me Sketchy Sanjay and welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be seeing my terrace garden. It has a lot of plants here and I'm sure you would like to see it. So if you like this video, then click like and don't forget to subscribe and share this to your friends who you think might like it. So let's go! Kinds of these things. So let's go from the newest to the oldest. So this is a plant that hasn't come out yet, so I don't know what it is. But the seeds have been sown and as you can see, a little is growing over there. And a lot of twigs and stuff are here. I guess that can fertilize the soil so it will grow better. And moving on to the next one, this is exactly the same. Little sprouts have come out but haven't gotten a grip of the mud yet. And I go on with more of these, so I'm just gonna skip those. And let's go to the middle stage ones. It's really muddy all around here because of the mud inside here. And by the way, this is spinach. I don't know what kind of spinach, but I am pretty sure that this is red stemmed spinach. Yeah, I think they are red stemmed spinach. Their underleaves are pink and I guess the overleaves are also going to turn pink soon. This is not grown fully yet, so it's just a little one. Here this is just a mixture of plants because I'm pretty sure this one is, ow, it's prickly. That hurts. It has these kind of hair, so ants and other insects don't climb on it and eat these leaves. I am pretty sure this is cucumber and I don't know what this is, but it looks really good and it feels so soft. The next one is one of my favorite. Yes, the tulsi. Ow. Tulsis are kind of sharp over the twigs, but I really like this because you can even chew on the tulsi leaves if you didn't know. And yeah, these cucumber plants are climbers, so they go from here and climb up. In this situation, they are climbing up this pipe over here. So this is the same cucumber, except it's a little grown than this one. There we can go here. This is also a little one. Let me just go and ask what it's called. So this is called Mexican mint. Well, it does look like mint, at least for me, because I've never seen mint before, but I'm pretty sure it looks like this. And this is used very much in like cooking and boiling water, and it's very useful for babies and elders because it like, I'll show you. So if you pluck one here, oops, I plucked two, never mind. And if you squeeze them, as you can see, my hands are slightly wet. Oh, I like the smell of this. It's really a natural kind of smell. I'm just gonna put it back inside here so that the mud can get fertilized way inside there. And this one is also a very good one because it's soft and has a very good smell. And yeah, this is one of my favorite and favorite of all time. You could have guessed, lady's finger. Yes, this is very useful, and if you're trying to grow lady's finger at your home just like this, then I suggest this. You should really try it because like I almost get 5 lady's fingers every day. I like it, just it's so soft and prickly at the same time. It's very useful. Same here. This is also one of those. And moving on, here I have chili, and if you're wondering what those white color things are, those are eggshells which help fertilize the mud. And this chili is very healthy and it's growing very good because it's been given water every day, so you couldn't expect more. There you go, I just sprinkled some water on it. So here I have these little saplings. I should have shown it before because it's very young. younger than those medium-sized ones. It's brinjal or eggplant. Yeah, eggplant is another name for brinjal if you didn't know. And yeah, the mud is very fertile here. Just perfect enough for these little guys. Well, now they're in a small container. But when they grow, they're going to be moved into a grow bag. Here, I have red spinach. Yes, red spinach. I know most of you out there hate spinach because it's very sour. But this one is kind of good and bearable. And here, this is just a ladder going upstairs. And here there's this plant over here. I'm pretty sure it's a cucumber. It was supposed to climb up this ladder here, just like this one did. As you can see, it's climbing. But this one went straight from here to this plant. This is also a cucumber plant. And here there's a lady's finger. And here there are more red spinach. More red spinach. Oh, I see you have noticed something in between here. Well, this is chili. We decided to do this because when it's crowded, it grows faster for some reason. I'll find out why and put in the description so you know. You can know too. And now I missed something. Way back here. Yes, there's also chili here and baby chilies right over here. All of these plants are really healthy and I like them. So if we move on here, this is something almost everyone likes. Tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes. See how these plants work is flowers come out at first, and then after that, after the reproduction thing, the flowers just pop out and fall down into the ground, which fertilizes it. At the same time, their fruit starts to grow. I said fruit because tomatoes are not vegetables but they are fruits. And this is also the same pot as this. This is the oldest plant here because this is the first one we grow. And there are some swollen ones here. Well, this one is spoiled. We should cut it off soon. And here comes the glory. Here, these are our first Malabar cucumbers. Yeah, this is a special cucumber that's only from Kerala. I better not touch it because I'm afraid it's gonna break. And here I have a younger one, and there's a flower here, so one is gonna bloom here soon. And here's a youngest one of them all. This is tiny and should not be touched because it's very weak and might fall off. Many of these just fell off and broke for some reason, nobody knows why. Now I'll show you the other one. This is one that's in the corner and it grows outside. Here there's my outside area with a palm tree. It rained a little bit, so there's a little puddle there. And this used to be a forest, but it got cut down. These are all kinds of these plants which are grown all around.